Okay, so now climate. Okay, I just put my phone aside. Alright. Now with respect to climate, of course, the climate of India, tropical monsoon. And you need to know the reason why it is called as tropical monsoon and what are the characteristics. Meaning, name, meaning and reason. Learn that much properly. Now when you learn factor, the first factor Himalaya जिसके ऊपर directly give reason आ सकता है. You all know very well why Himalaya is a climatic barrier. Altitude पे भी directly give reason आ सकता है. For example, why Ooty is colder than Coimbatore. Why Shimla is colder than Agra. Why Coonoor is colder than Coimbatore. Why Munnar is colder than Kochi. Why Mussoorie is colder than Dehradun. Why Nainital is colder than Rishikesh. Okay kids, कभी भी ये give reason आया altitude का, always remember one thing. First mention which place is on mountain, which place is at the surface. Then explain normal lapse rate. उसका meaning लिखो. Whenever there are two places in the give reason, always you should mention location of both the places. वो दोनों की लोकेशन की वजह से क्या इफेक्ट होता है, mention that, and then you will write your give reason on that. Latitude पे भी दो give reason आ सकते हैं. Some places experience overhead sun twice. In short, the places which are below tropics, and some places don't experience overhead sun because of the place being above tropic. Some places की जगह पे they can put a name. For example, Bhopal experience overhead sun twice. Delhi doesn't experience at all. We know because Bhopal is located within tropic. Northward migration, southward migration. That is very clearly given in my notes. Latitude पे एक और give reason आ सकता है. Let's say Mumbai is here and Kochi is here. Still Kochi is hotter. Why? Closer to the equator. ठीक है? Why Kochi? Kerala doesn't have clear-cut winter. Again, closer to the equator and located within the tropics. Then western disturbance is also one of the factors जिसके ऊपर give reason आ सकता है. पंजाब और हरियाणा receive winter rainfall. Western disturbance coming from Mediterranean Sea, causing temperate cyclone. Then relief also can have a give reason कि why this place receive more rainfall and the other place receive less rainfall. तो ऑलरेडी क्लाइमेट में मैंने तुम लोग के साथ डिस्कस पहले भी किया हुआ है, and I have sent lot of diagrammatic images in which it is clearly shown. For example, coastal west coast gets more rainfall, central Maharashtra gets less rainfall, windward side coast, central Maharashtra leeward side. Mausim Ram gets more rainfall, Shillong gets less rainfall, windward side, leeward side. So whenever there are any give reason with respect to rainfall, तुम्हारे तीन आंसर हो सकता है. या तो वो प्लेस विंडवर्ड और लीवर्ड है, या फिर the place is not receiving rainfall because the wind and the mountains are running parallel, or for example, or the direction. For example, Kolkata gets more rainfall than Patna because they both get rainfall from Bay of Bengal branch. Kolkata comes first, then Patna, then comes Varanasi, then comes Delhi. तो इसमें give reason क्या होगा? Direction of the wind. As the wind go ahead, it loses its moisture. कोई भी जगह पे rainfall का give reason लिखते हो पहले ये देखो कि what is the reason? Is the reason windward side, leeward side? Or is the reason mountain and wind are running parallel? Or is the reason wind is traveling in such a direction that as the wind goes ahead, it loses its moisture? इसको कोई भी factor पे give reason आ सकता है. Now out of the four seasons, जो first season है hot and dry, month are March, April, May, called as summer season. In that, the most important part is local wind. Mark all the local wind is very, very, very important. You need to know local winds very well. Please remember local wind very well. First season में. Second season में what are you going to learn is किसको ज़्यादा rainfall मिल रहा है, किसको कम, and why. Along with that, burst of monsoon, break of monsoon, very important. West coast gets more rainfall, east coast gets less rainfall. For example, why? Mumbai gets more rainfall, Chennai gets less rainfall. Mumbai is on the windward side of Western Ghat. Chennai was on the leeward side. So Arabian Sea branch will cause very less rainfall. Chennai will not get rainfall from Bay of Bengal branch also because the wind runs parallel. Remember that. East coast को दोनों ब्रांच रेनफॉल कॉज नहीं करती है. बे ऑफ बंगाल ब्रांच पैरेलल जाता है एंड दूसरा ब्रांच लीवर्ड साइड पे देता है लेकिन कम रेनफॉल देता है. Is that clear? Mausiram Cherrapunji are located at the crest of Khasi Hills. Don't forget to mention that crest of Khasi Hills. Is that clear? So that is the main thing to remember. Now kids, so second season में break of monsoon, burst of monsoon, who gets more rainfall, who gets less rainfall, and why? Why Thar is a desert? Very important question. Then third season में you need to know three things very well. What causes tropical cyclone and which area in India gets affected by it? Second, why southwest monsoon winds start retreating India? And third question, what is October heat? Very, very important, all three questions of this season. And the last season, cold and dry, उसको लेके एक question सबसे important है. Name two places in India who gets winter rainfall. So Punjab, Haryana is one area, coastal Tamil Nadu is second area. Now they both are getting rainfall from different sources. Punjab, Haryana is getting rainfall from western disturbance, originating from Mediterranean Sea. Cyclonic rainfall. Tamil Nadu gets rainfall from northeast monsoon, from Bay of Bengal, orographic rainfall. Name two places in India getting winter rainfall is a very important question. Remember that. Besides that, why Northern India experienced extreme cold during this season? Landlocked, cold winds from Himalaya, cold winds from Caspian Sea, that is also one of the reasons. Now climatic data sums में. See kids, formula and all are given in my notes book. But few things I want to bring to your notice. A, whenever you write any climatic data sum, first mention your formula. Second, show your working. Third, now if I have asked the question why the place is on coast. Let's say you got annual range of temperature as 8 degrees Celsius. So we know very well that if 8 degrees Celsius annual range आया है, that means the place is on coast. Now the question is justify why it is on coast. Excuse me. So many times I have seen kids writing, since the annual range is low, so the place is on coast. Wrong. That is not the way to present your answer, kids. Annual range of temperature is low because, the place is on coast because the annual range of temperature is 8 degrees Celsius. Kids, mention करो तुमको कितना annual range of temperature मिला है, which is very low, so it is on coast. You cannot just say low or less than 10, ये allowed ही नहीं है. Annual range of temperature is, for example, 5 degrees Celsius, which is very less, so it is coastal. Always present your answer like that. Okay? And also remember one thing, if maximum rainfall is in June, July, August, September, the wind is southwest. If maximum rainfall is in the month of October, November, it is retreating monsoon. If maximum rainfall is in December, Jan, Feb, it is northeast monsoon. Is that clear? So these are the main things with respect to climate. Climate, I will always recommend kids to keep in top 5 only if you are confident of all the places, location in India. Otherwise, definitely I would recommend to keep it as 6th option. Alright, thank you.